Welcome back to Carvers. Today, we're stepping into the world of ultimate British luxury with the 2026 Bentley Motorhome. Known for their handcrafted details and unmatched elegance, Bentley has taken their heritage of grand touring and applied it to the motorhome segment, creating a rolling mansion that blends comfort, power, and exclusivity. From the outside, the 2026 Bentley Motorhome is unmistakably Bentley. The front fascia features the brand's signature chrome mesh grille and crystal-cut LED headlights, giving it the same presence as the Bentayga or Flying Spur, only scaled up to motorhome proportions. The body is sleek and streamlined, finished in deep two-tone paint with hand-painted coach lines. Retractable steps, panoramic side windows, and polished aluminum accents all enhance the visual drama. With 23-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels and subtle Bentley badging, it commands attention everywhere it goes. Step inside, and the magic of Bentley craftsmanship becomes immediately clear. Every surface is wrapped in the finest hand-stitched leather, accented with sustainable wood veneers and polished metal details. The lounge area features dual Chesterfield-inspired sofas, a retractable 60-inch OLED screen, and a Naim premium audio system for an unmatched cinematic experience. Soft ambient lighting flows through hidden crystal fixtures, creating an atmosphere that's both luxurious and calming. The kitchen is more like a gourmet suite than an RV galley. It features marble countertops, a flush induction cooktop, smart storage drawers, and a dual-zone wine cooler. A custom espresso machine is built right into the cabinetry, bringing the Bentley lifestyle to the road. Across the aisle, a handcrafted dining table with leather-trimmed chairs creates a refined space for meals or business on the move. At the rear, the bedroom feels like a five-star hotel suite. A king-size bed with diamond-quilted leather headboard. Adaptive climate control and blackout smart glass ensures peaceful rest. The bathroom continues the theme of elegance, with a rainfall shower, heated stone floors, and a backlit vanity framed in polished chrome. Performance-wise, Bentley couldn't resist bringing power to the luxury. The 2026 Motorhome is equipped with a twin turbocharged V12 hybrid engine, producing nearly 700 horsepower. Adaptive air suspension delivers a smooth, cloud-like ride, while advanced driver assistance features keep long journeys stress-free. Despite its size, it drives with surprising grace, reflecting Bentley's commitment to effortless performance. Starting at around $2 million, the 2026 Bentley Motorhome is reserved for those who demand nothing less than the finest craftsmanship and performance in every aspect of travel. It's not just a motorhome, it's a Bentley on wheels, and that means luxury without compromise. The 2026 Mazda Motorhome. Known for its sleek design language and driver-focused engineering, Mazda has taken its signature style and infused it into a spacious, luxurious, and tech-savvy mobile living experience. The exterior of the 2026 Mazda Motorhome stays true to the brand's Kodo design philosophy. Smooth, flowing lines wrap around the frame with a sculpted elegance, rarely seen in the motorhome world. The front grille is bold and wide, flanked by sharp LED matrix, headlights, and a chrome accent bar that stretches across the fascia. Aerodynamics were clearly a priority here, with contoured side panels and retractable steps that sit flush when not in use, rolling on 22-inch alloy wheels. The stance is both athletic and composed, giving the motorhome a premium road-commanding presence. Subtle Mazda badging keeps the design clean and confident. Inside, Mazda impresses once again with a focus on craftsmanship and minimalist luxury. The interior is wrapped in soft-touch materials, real wood inserts, and eco-leather seating. The cabin layout is open yet cozy, with a convertible U-shaped lounge at the front that transforms into a bed or dining area. A 60-inch OLED smart display rises silently from a console, and integrated ambient lighting adjusts automatically to time of day or mood settings. The kitchen is well-appointed and stylish, featuring an induction cooktop, convection oven, stainless steel sink, and a sleek refrigerator with a matte black finish. Ample storage is hidden behind seamless cabinetry. In the rear, the bedroom includes a memory foam queen-size bed, panoramic side windows, reading lights, and built-in speakers for immersive comfort. The bathroom is compact but cleverly designed, with a rainfall shower, LED mirror, and efficient water-saving tech. Underneath the beauty lies a mild, hybrid 2.5-liter Skyactiv G engine paired with Mazda's e-Boost electric drive system. This combo generates around 300 horsepower, which is more than enough for smooth cruising and light towing. The ride quality is excellent, thanks to independent suspension and Mazda's signature driving dynamics. It's agile for its size, with responsive steering and stable handling even at highway speeds. The 2026 Mazda Motorhome is priced starting at around $135,000, offering incredible value when you consider the design, features, and performance. For those who crave a travel experience that's both emotionally engaging and beautifully functional, Mazda's Motorhome makes a powerful impression, one that moves you, literally and emotionally.